I am Quan Yin, bringing in the flowers. I am Quan Yin, bringing in the joy and the dance of the flowers. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Let the light in. The importance of taking care of the physical in this year is greater than ever before. While I would say, and we would say, that it's always important to take care of this blessed vehicle, this precious human form, body that you have, we will also say that many of you take it for granted and do not see it as divine. Every physical part of your body, including those pieces that fall away in death, in stinkiness, in decay, including those parts of the self, are precious. They are important. It is important to take care of the physical form. The body and the mind and the emotions are merging. The body and the mind and the emotional aspect is coming together in a new wholeness. Because of that, you are feeling the scraping inside of the cells, the scraping that feels emotional. It is important to spend some time with the self in that womb, as was suggested by our brother Saint Germain. It is important to spend some time in that womb, remembering whatever comes to you. Dreams are important now. Visions are important. Time with the self is important. It seems as if the physical world is getting faster and busier. There is truth in that. Because of the shifting vibration, the world vibration in the third dimension is moving faster. At the same time, the deeper you come into the center, the more you are able to be completely alert, completely aware, and completely in balance with that movement. The challenge is not being sucked into it. It's like being a tiny figure in front of a huge fan. It's like you were 12 inches high and there was a huge fan that was 100 times bigger than you, sucking the air in, and you are being blown into it. We give you this image to say that if you get too involved in the outer world and the outer reality around you, whatever that reality looks like, too much, too little, not enough, gotta go here, too many balls in the air, this violent action, this fearful thing, if you get pulled out into the world too often, you become sucked into that vibration and chopped up into fodder that will indeed recycle. You all will recycle. That's the beauty of death. The flowers understand this. The beauty of life is being here present and understanding that all is impermanent in the physical and that the permanence is in the middle of the impermanence. One of those mysteries. The divine feminine and the mystery of the divine feminine was feared 26,000 years ago. The pendulum swung. The patriarchy came in. Your planet is changing. It is rebalancing and reharmonizing. The masculine and the feminine coming together. Unity consciousness.